And in our top business story, a 1 billion dirham state-of-the-art smart hospital is being built across 150,000 square meters over in Dubai's Silicon Oasis and is set to open its doors by 2017. Dubai will soon boast its own smart hospital, a first in the region, as well as a medical university project. It aims to serve the local community as well as attract medical tourism and further enhance the growing medical and healthcare sector. Earlier today, His Highness Sheikh Ahmed bin Saeed Al Maktoum, the chairman of Dubai's Silicon Oasis Authority, unveiled the commemorative plaque of the Faqih Academic Medical Centre and was joined by its president and chairman, Dr. Mazin Faqih, as well as Dr. Mohammed Al-Zarouni, the vice chairman and CEO of Dubai's Silicon Oasis, as well as other senior government officials. The development by Saudi Arabia's premier healthcare concept, the Dr. Suleiman Faqih Hospital, will see the completion of Phase 1 by 2017 and Phase 2 in 2019. According to His Highness Sheikh Ahmed, this project complements Dubai's vision of attracting 500,000 medical tourists annually, as well as boosting its economy up to 2.6 billion dirhams in the next 5 years.
We will really support something like this, and to see the Faqih is opening such a facility here would add up really to this area. For Dubai, I think we're very much encouraging the medical tourism here, and also with the growing number and having such a facility at this side of Dubai.
The hospital is going to be built in 2 phases. Phase 1 is going to be 150 beds. Phase 2 is going to be 300 beds in total capacity. The medical university will come with Phase 2. Phase 1 will be concluded by end of 2016. Phase 2 will be concluded by 19 or 20. We've chosen Dubai Silicon Oasis because of its wonderful access. It's reachable from any part of Dubai within about 10-15 minutes through highways. In addition to supply the need or fulfill the demand required by the city itself. DSO now has about 50,000 inhabitants, and there aren't any hospitals in DSO. So there is an immediate need to serve the community within the Dubai Silicon Oasis. But the vision is bigger, actually, to serve Dubai by and large and to promote medical tourism. So we're expecting patients from Saudi Arabia, from other GCC countries, from all over the world.
In addition, Dr. Mazin Faqih says the 300-bed facility will comprise of IT-enabled patient rooms fitted out with health monitoring technology and will offer robotic surgery as well as an automated medication dispensing system. It will also include 5 specialized units, including diabetes and cardiology.
So based on our study, we identified that the diabetes is a big problem, pulmonary diseases is a big problem, muscle and bone diseases are a big problem, and hence our first centers of excellence will focus on the areas of need. Obviously, DSO is a young population, obstetrics and pediatrics. So they have a high birth rate, and they have a big proportion of children under the age of 15. So pediatric is strongly featured in the facility, as well as obstetrics and gynecology and in vitro fertilization as well, assisted reproductive technology.
Emirates Palace enjoyed groundbreaking 12-month results in 2014, surpassing its previous record year of 2008 and outperforming 2013 across multiple performance indicators. Despite increased competition in Abu Dhabi, Emirates Palace recorded a steady growth of 8.1 percentage points in overall occupancy compared to 2013, while the total revenue increased by 8.8%. Financial performance also improved in its newly rebranded Emirates Palace Spa, as well as its restaurants, cafes and banqueting services, which saw an overall increase of 11.8% compared to the previous year. A successful festive season also led to an excess of 5,000 daily visitors walking through the palace throughout December. And as a result, Emirates Palace recorded the best monthly result ever since its inception back in 2005. The hotel's general manager was quoted as saying that events such as Abu Dhabi summer season, coupled with targeted sales campaigns for the region, brought more visitors during traditionally slow months like August. Emaar Properties will launch sales for the 2 remaining towers of the 6-tower Dubai Creek Residences on January the 24th, which will be the company's first sale for 2015. The towers are a part of the multi-billion-dollar Dubai Creek Harbour at the Lagoons Master Development, which is a joint venture between Emaar and Dubai Holding, and it will be simultaneously launched in Dubai, Abu Dhabi and in London. The 2 towers will be 30 and 35 stories high, with units ranging between 880 and 2,154 square feet. Emaar chairman, His Excellency Mohammed Al Abar, was quoted as saying that the Lagoons is 3 times the size of downtown Dubai. He added that the Dubai Creek Residences cluster, made up of 6 towers, will house 3,664 office units, 8 million square feet of retail space, 39,000 residential units and 22 hotels with 4,400 rooms. Gold trading volumes on the Dubai Gold and Commodities Exchange reached 41,945 contracts in December, registering a significant growth of 14% year-on-year. In December 2014, DGCX volumes witnessed growth of 25% over the same period last year, recording total monthly volumes of 962,438 contracts, valued at $27.84 billion. The exchange's average daily volume grew 19% year-on-year, reaching 45,830 contracts in December. The currency segments led the year-on-year growth, trading 897,116 contracts, an increase of 25% from December 2013. Indian rupee futures, which recorded the 3rd highest average daily open interest during December, grew 21% from the same period in 2013, while the mini Indian rupee futures grew at 69%. The DGCX's metals segment recorded a 16% increase year-on-year, while the hydrocarbon sector and the equity indices segment grew 45% and 95% respectively. Early in the year, DGCX launched the region's first ever plastics contract. The exchange reintroduced the Indian rupee option contract, launched 2 MSCI India index contracts, and listed 2 new pairs of mini Indian rupee cross-currency futures. The exchange ended the year on a high note, launching 3 new currency contracts: the Russian ruble futures, Korean won futures, and South African rand futures.